Whiskey Nick here with another review. We will be reviewing Knob Creek Single Barrel. If you'd like to see our review on the main channel of this versus the regular one, I'll put the link up here. So go ahead and check that out. If you haven't seen it already, it's a pretty good video. So we're gonna just jump right into it. First off, I'll give you a little history on Knob Creek. Knob Creek is one of 4 small batch bourbons that Jim Beam makes. There's Knob Creek, there's Basil Hayden's, which I think I might have a bottle of that, which I might review in the future. There is Baker's, which is about 100 proof bourbon. And then there is Booker's, which is one of their specialty bourbons that they released. It's a cask strength barrel proof bourbon. I've heard it's pretty good. I still have yet to try it. It's around $80, so I'm gonna take my time getting that unless I happen to stumble upon a deal or something. So the single barrel Knob Creek is 120 proof compared to the regular Knob Creek, which is only 100 proof. They're both aged for 9 years. Yep, aged for 9 years. And they're both very good. This is one of the only reasons I don't like Knob Creek is because they use synthetic corks, which are kind of a bitch to take out, and they have the wax sealing too, which I'm not a big fan of. Get a decent pour. I want to do a review on this before I finish the bottle because it's very good. There's not much left there. See the color? It's like a darker amber color. I'm pretty sure that the 120, 100 proof come from the same mash bill. They just watered down the 100 proof. It comes out of the bottle, or out of the barrel, closer to this proof. I'm not really sure what proof it is, but it's probably closer to that. Because this isn't a barrel proof, so I don't know. It is a single barrel, which means it comes from each barrel is used to fill bottles. They don't mix barrels together. They don't put it in a big, like a big tub, like most bourbons do. They just put all their barrels into one tub and then just keep filling bottles. They just fill each barrel individually into this tub, and then they fill the bottles up with that. And you can get a little more consistent doing that in the distillery. On the nose, a very strong burn of alcohol, being 120 proof. That's not surprising. Past that, you get the maple syrup, some vanilla, got a hint of cherry, a hint of cinnamon, maybe a touch of honey. Mostly sweet notes, not much spice. Must be a lower rye mash bill. The only spice I really get is baking spices like cinnamon and allspice. Let's go for the taste. Yeah, don't switch it too long. Those higher proof ones will burn your tongue. I get nothing but alcohol in the first taste. Nothing but fire and burn. The first taste is usually just an intro to smooth your palate out, for your mouth to get kind of ready for the actual taste, which is the second and third taste. You usually get most of the tasting notes. a lot more clearly. Maple syrup, very dominant. It's a little bit of cherries. Some spice, the allspice and other cinnamons and stuff like that, cloves. Vanilla's there too. Once you get past the first taste, it's very flavorful after that. So, just like anything, bourbon tasting does take practice. So if you just can't get past those 80 proofs and want to try more of a variety of bourbons, just keep practicing. Just move up a little bit, go from 80 to 83. I know Evan Williams is like a 86 proof. Yeah, 86 proof. So you can move from like a Jim Beam to an Evan Williams to like a Buffalo Trace or more of a common 90 proof. Common 90 proof. They're out there. Just can't think of them right now. Just Buffalo Trace is the first one that comes to mind. I think Bulleit's 90 proof. That's kind of a higher rye mash bill, though that will be kind of hot on your palate if you're not used to that. Weller is another good one. By the way, on our main channel, we are doing a giveaway of a bottle of the Weller Special Reserve. So make sure to like, subscribe, comment, and share on any of our videos on our main channel, Whiskey Wednesdays. And I'll link that in the description of this video. So make sure to stay tuned to that. Stay tuned to that because that is a rare bottle and it's by far my favorite wheated bourbon. All right, let's do the rest of the tastings. I get more oak on the, what was that? The third or fourth tasting. More oak on that one. With the maple syrup kind of finishing it off. It's got a pretty long finish. You'll find that with the higher proof bourbons. Very good. Definitely recommend getting it. Around here in Cincinnati, it's around $40, a little more than the 100 proof, which isn't too bad. I'll probably always keep this on my shelves, so I'm gonna have to get me another bottle. Next video, I'll probably be reviewing something not whiskey related. Thinking about reviewing maybe a vodka or some other kind of spirit. I do have some absinthe in my bar I might try to review. Not many people know about that, so I might review that or something else. If you guys have any suggestions, go ahead and comment down below. I'll probably upload later in the week around Friday or so after our main channel uploads, of course. By the way, our main channel this week is reviewing Jack Daniels in honor of America, 4th of July. So stay tuned to that, and we'll see you guys next time. Cheers.